Okay, so we're back. I was able to unscrew a really difficult one. There's one more here, and I would consider making these wrenches that are provided way longer for this like little screw there. You know, you want it to be at least this high up so that you can sort of unscrew things without going in here. It's really tedious. Alright. So now that we've got that thing out of the way, let's get the hook out of the way. Save all the screws for later. And I guess we'll get to testing the machine. See what happens before we, since it takes so long to put everything back into place, I think it's best to make sure everything works before screwing it back down. These things here I'm not liking at all. These are so loose and sometimes they're not. They really don't look good. So you've got to put some pressure in when it doesn't go in at all. Even when it's fully unscrewed like this, you just don't know what's going on. Oh, finally. Okay. So if the others can go in too. I unscrewed them all the way before as well, and we just do. There we go. Not supposed to be up here so far. There. Did not anticipate this being so difficult. They should just go in. There. Alright. It's really about the angle you use when trying to put them in. Eventually they do go around, but it takes some effort. Alright, but you don't want them sticking out, so the way I had them on before was not good. Okay, alright. So hopefully now the machine will be firing away. All pistons working correctly. Still a little bit unsure about the X and the other one. Let's be extremely careful. This. I'm always concerned that things get stuck in the machine like this wire there. This wire has to go. Okay. see what happens. At this stage, I just want to see if the motors work and if anything good happens or not. So let's see.